Traders, I'm resuming the video because I just entered a second entry long. It is a two-legged pullback to the key entry point. The market is correcting, but if I'm going to zoom out, I have every single major low higher and higher. I have secondary channel that also has a lot of confirmations and market needs to go higher. So there is bullish bias. In case I'm wrong, I'm going to place stop loss one tick below the signal bar, as you can see, because market is correcting against me. And I'm scalping for a ticks, leaving two contracts as a runner. And once again, I'm going to zoom out. Every single major low is higher and higher, very strong bullish imbalance. The secondary channel is holding strong as well. So for this reason, I took this second entry long off the trend line, closing above the EMA. Let's see if we can get nice high low. This would be good for bulls, and nothing I can do. The trade will either work or won't. Alright traders, we got the scalp, so I'm going to place the stop loss to break even. I'm now going to manage the runners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces total. Visual two-legged pullback, one leg down, second leg down, new high first entry long, second entry long. There was another second entry long right here, as you can see, but the downtrend was in place, so I didn't take it. It retraced a lot. I prefer to be buying a little bit lower. But yeah, market is in a bullish imbalance. I identify the key entry point and I take the high probability setup. So let's see if we can get a runner. Alright traders, I'm managing the runner. I tighten the stop loss one tick below this significant swing. Trend continues, so I'm gonna manage the runner as we go forward.